Hello, good morning, friends. Today is, I think, 27th of July 2022, and today I'm here in the city because sometimes due to work, I have to travel to town and cities. So today I'm in Siliguri, and this is my small rented room where I sometimes come and stay here. And last night I did not eat anything because I was so tired. Once I came back from work, I lied on bed and I don't know what time I dozed off, so I am feeling very very hungry, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I just woke up. Since I don't stay in this house very often, I travel once in 15 days or maybe once in a month sometimes, so the ration or the food is not stocked up, and since I have not bought anything, so whatever I have in the morning right now, because the shops are not open and I'm very hungry, so what I found today, yesterday my staff had brought me lunch, rice for me to eat, but since I had already eaten on the way, so I told her that I'll take this home and eat tonight. But as I told that I was already very tired, I slept, so I kept that rice on the fridge, and I just have a packet of Maggie, a couple of eggs and a tomato and soy sauce and chili paste, dalle khorsani, that's very popular in this Himalayan area, and a mustard. I'll show you this. So this is a mustard paste, I don't know what it's called. So I'll show you what I have in the store, and I'm going to cook Maggie with rice in my own style. Actually, I have never done this before, so I just wanted to see how it tastes, because since I'm hungry, I'm sure it should taste very tasty and yummy, because hunger beats all the ugly tastes. I'll show you what I have in the store right now. This is what I have. This is the rice that my staff had brought me for lunch yesterday, and I did not eat. I kept in the fridge, and so I'll be modifying this. And this is that egg that I found in my fridge. And this is the mustard paste, kasundi it's called, and this is the lekhorsani paste from Sikkim, and I have one egg, and I have this onion, but I don't think I'm going to use this because it's already destroyed. See, look at this. So I'm not going to use it. And I had one packet of Maggie, and yes, I'll be using this dark soy sauce. So let's start the preparation, and I'll show you how I'll be cooking this, and I'll be eating. Oil here, okay, this is a small amount of oil. I don't like oily foods much, so I try to avoid this oil as much as possible, so I'm not a big fan of oil. In the meantime, what I'll do is I'll put a cup of water. I'll put a cup of water here for my Maggie preparation, because I'm going to make it dry, since I'm going to mix it with the fried rice. So I got this concept from Szechuan fried rice actually, but it's not exactly a Szechuan rice. I'm just trying to innovate my own food. Okay, I think the oil is heated now. I've already chopped the tomatoes, so I'm putting this tomato here. Okay. Yes. What salt does to tomatoes is it will make tender very quickly. Because I want to make these tomatoes very tender. Alright. So I'm going to add a bit of salt here. Alright. And I'm going to stir it. Okay. I'm going to stir this. Okay. Let me get tender. I'll put this Maggi masala in 1 cup of water. In the meantime, tomato is getting tender, and I'll stir this with this fork. Okay, guys, this is my style, alright? I've not learned from anywhere. So the water is starting to get boiled, and I'm going to put this Maggie here and let it cook by itself. In the meantime, I'm going to take care of this tomatoes. Tomato fried rice already, and it's getting tender, so I think I'm good to go now. So I'll add a little bit of this kasundi sauce. It's a mustard sauce. A bit of this kasundi here. Okay, I love mustard. It's good for health. as long as it's organic, but this is not organic. So let me stir fry this. Okay, rice here. It's frozen actually, because I had kept in the fridge. It's frozen, so I'll just stir this. And to add a little bit of color. In the meantime, sorry for the background noise. Sorry for the background noise. Okay. Maggie is getting cooked. Maggie is getting cooked. So to add a little bit of flavor and color, I'm going to use this dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce from Ching's. Well, Ching's has not sponsored this video, but I like their sauces very much. It's very authentic. So let me stir the sauce. Okay. Now I think I've added more sauce than desired amount. Anyways, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this Maggie in this rice, and okay. I will put a little bit of oil in this pan. Okay. I don't like much of oil. Okay, I've reduced so much. And this is Porch. I love half-cooked egg. A pinch of salt. I don't have any extra ingredients to add on these guys. So sure. In the meantime, this is also getting cooked. Okay. This is what these guys are staring about. Okay. I think it's pretty done. It doesn't look so good, but since I'm hungry, I should feel good. Okay. This guy looks pretty done. So I think now it's time to eat. I don't think it looks so yummy, but I can smell it. I'm sure you guys cannot, because you guys are not here, I am here. I'll add a bit of Italy's best. Okay. Yeah, it's tasty. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, this is my own recipe, alright? When you feel hungry, the innovation triggers in your brain. With whatever resources you have at your house, or whatever resources you have with you. So, since I had only Maggie, yesterday my staff brought me rice, which I did not eat in the lunchtime. Let me see this egg, alright. It's quite pungent and hot, because I think I have eaten that delicacy paste. It is so good. I need to drink a bit of water. Wow, lovely. I like it. Alright guys. Now I feel satiated. I feel quite better. You know what? When I feel hungry, I get irritated a lot. So now I'm a little bit calmed down. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe, share, and I'm going to come up with more videos in village cooking, in Nepali style. What kind of food do you guys want me to upload in the next video? Please put in the comments below, so that I can understand what my viewers are wanting to watch from my side. Uh, this channel, this video doesn't belong to my actual genre that I have actually started this channel, because my channel was generally started for village cooking, Nepali style in firewood, but I think I have got addicted to this shooting videos every day. So yesterday I had to come email by urgent work. So I thought I'd make this video in my rented room where I stay sometimes. That's the reason I have uploaded this video. Otherwise my channel is basically promoting organic village style cooking in firewood. Alright. Thank you guys. Have a good day.